no such thing as overreaction. There's only such a thing as underreaction, but no such thing as overreaction. Overreaction kung nagkakasakitan. Pero makita nyo naman peaceful. So,
ano yung response natin dun sa sinisigaw nila kanina about sa'yo, personally about sa'yo?
it's okay. I can take it. I don't have an ego to protect, so okay lang sa akin.
Yung mga sumisigaw ng Marcos resign po, may kakaharapin po bang kaso?
Wala naman. They have a right to be heard, so makikinig lang kami.
Sir, personally, bakit pumunta ko kayo dito para makita?
I will always,
What message are we trying to send, sir?
I am always on top of the situation. Ayoko kasi makita yung mga kapulisan natin na nag-iisa lang dito dahil makita nila as much as they are willing to sacrifice, yung leader nila kasama rin.
Sir, napipikunong ba kayo dun sa sigaw niyo?
Wala, kasama sa politika yan. Di ba? Kasama yan. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Pero tao lang tayo. Pero so far, okay lang sa akin. Nakita nyo, minumura ako kanina. Okay lang. Kasama yan. Oo.
Ano na lang pong message sa kanila?
Peace to all mankind. Yun lang tayo. Di ba? Papakinggan namin kayo. At makakaasa kayo na hustisya yung nahanap niya idarating.
Sir, ano lang yung general assessment natin? Tapos na ba itong rally?
Tingin ko, nakatalikod na eh. Mas maraming vloggers kaysa protesters eh. Ang bilang ko siguro 100 vloggers, maybe 60, 70 ang nagpo-protest. So, tingin ko patapos na.
Pero general peaceful?
Very peaceful. You can see for yourself. Nakita nyo naman, di ba, walang batuhan, walang tear gas, wala.
Sec, they're calling for the resignation of President Bongbong Marcos. Is this something that we will consider as
Everyone is saying, everyone has the right to be heard. I may not agree with them, but they have the right to be heard.
But is it seditious?
Again?
Yung call na yun,
No
seditious?
naman. Hindi naman. I don't consider it seditious.
Sir, ganito na ba yung magiging sistema ng mga possible future rally na hanggang dito na lang po yung mga...
We will always protect Malacanang. We will always prevent anarchy. Ayun ang pinakayo namin. A peaceful protest is always welcome, but anarchy is not. Okay?